Good morning, and thank you for allowing me time to present on a proposed project, the Smart Shopping Trolley. Those of you who may not know me, I am Katrina McDougall, Chief Information Officer here at Leon's. I have been working with some of my fellow constituents in HR, sales and marketing, and finance and accounting on a project that I would like to implement here in Leon's. It is the Smart Shopping Trolley and how the system can further improve our business model. Today, I would like to give you background on Smart Shopping Trolley, the advantages and disadvantages of the system, how the existing pilot projects have been conducted, and details on a future pilot in design phase by one of our major competitors. As with any project, there are some associated risks. However, these can be controlled. How the system will impact some business functions, but will be beneficial in the long run. I will provide cost-benefit analysis and sensitivity analysis for your perusal. Then I will conclude with my recommendations on next steps for the business. What is the Smart Shopping Trolley? Smart Shopping Trolley is an all-in-one customised trolley that is fitted with specialised technology such as radio frequency identification, barcode scanning, and touch LCD screens that is wirelessly linked to our network. The objective is to enhance customers' shopping experience by convenience, increase in-store service capability, and liaising with the customer in real time. This value-add system is reiterating to our customer and our potential customers that they are the very focus of what we do at Leon's. We are nothing if they are not delighted in their shopping experience and becoming loyal customers. The Smart Shopping Trolley is linked to our main network, which has product pricing where it is located in the store and product information, allowing customers a fully interactive system. Both customers and business benefit from the Smart Shopping Trolley. Convenience for customers to create a shopping list at home, sign in when they enter the store with their loyalty card and upload said shopping list, creates a map of where products are located in store, can scan items as they are placed into the trolley, and keeps a running total so customers are aware of their spend. They are able to obtain full product information, where it was produced and packaged, and possible recipes. This enables business to monitor how clients are purchasing to give a more comprehensive insight into product penetration, knowing what to buy for future, and decreasing obsolescent stock. This also enables business to customise their marketing approach. You may offer one customer a discount on their purchase in real time. For example, they may not have a regular purchase from their shopping list of the week. Business can make a discount in real time sent to the customer to entice a purchase and increase their spend. The next generation of customers are the millennials, as advised in PricewaterhouseCoopers report dated 2014. Millennials who shop socially, good or bad, they check the reviews online for purchases. They're responsive. They embrace technology and want loyalty programs. Bernard Salt report dated 2013, produced for Woolworths, also confirms millennials are ranked top promotional shoppers. So by using Smart Shopping Trolley system, you can promote in real time with customers, which will lead to increased sales. All of the above proves to our customers that we listen and value their input by enhancing their shopping experience. Business is able to increase controls on inventory. RFID technology implemented now sets us up for the future, as RFID technology will enable us a better experience in liaising with supply chain when in full use. This will also lead to reduced hours for staff on our floor, which will be a cost saving in staff labour. As the system gathers momentum and customers utilise the system more frequently, less staff will be required. Some of the disadvantages are costs associated with initial investment in implementing the system. However, the reduction in staff wages and in sales due to customised target marketing outweighs this. Damages and maintenance are another risk, which will be covered off in a further slide, where we cover off controlling these risks. There have been a number of pilot projects conducted with stores such as ShopRite, Tesco, Walmart, IGA and others throughout Asian countries. These pilots were conducted in order to devise improvements to the design of the state-of-the-art smart shopping trolley. It is important to remember that pilot projects are crucial to trialling systems for improvements. If the system cannot be improved and does not meet expectation, the pilot project fails. The smart shopping trolley pilots did identify a number of improvements that needed to be corrected before the product could be launched into the retail grocery chain. MediaCart conducted the pilot in Australia, partnering with IGA. Due to ever-changing technology, went back to design phase to enhance the product. MediaCart are nearly ready to launch the Gen 3 BLE Tech iPad for a further expanded project. Springboard Retail Network Concierge and SK Telecom Concierge conducted their pilots throughout Canada, China and South Korea. Major retail grocery chains such as Coles and Woolworths went for the self-service checkout model, which is currently in use. They did not want to commit to a major infrastructure spend until the software technology was enhanced to cope with industry business processes. However, the big retail chains did identify the need to have customers gradually utilising self-serve. This then enables them to have increased acceptance of the smart shopping trolley system when the technology has been redesigned to launch. Blue Sky Design Group are currently partnering with Coles designing the future supermarket concept. Currently, this is in design phase. This is a state-of-the-art model based on the smart shopping trolley system concept, but simplifying the process. Customers are currently sourcing their product, obtaining it from the shelf, packing it into the checkout, and then repacking the trolley with filled bags. The future supermarket concept negates the use of the wide trolley. Trolleys are plastic with handles to fit 6 green environmental bags. Customers pick products off the shelf, scan and pack them into these bags. When customers reach the checkout, RFID technology sends it straight to the checkout point. They pay and collect their 6 bags out of the trolley and leave. Therefore, no unpacking and repacking. You now have an idea of how far advanced the smart shopping trolley system has become since the pilot. As with any project, there are associated or perceived risks. Customers' perception of technology and privacy was one of the findings of the pilot. However, customers have a number of options with the smart shopping trolley system. They can use with loyalty card, which uploads existing information and previous shopping lists, personal details and anything customer wishes to store in the software, for example, favourite products. They can use the smart shopping trolley system but remain anonymous. For example, they can use the running tally and the product information and the product in-store locator. Or they can just use the trolley without using the system altogether. Businesses are forever changing, and this comes with negativity from staff regarding the system or process. However, we will be reliant on them showing the customers how to use the system. The critical fact here is to engage the staff early with changes to the smart shopping trolley system. Explain why the change needs to be implemented and repercussions of the business if it does not change. This will empower the staff to embrace the new technology and systems to promote the use. It is important for staff to realise that less FTE will be required and the business will work with all staff through this process. Damages and maintenance is going to be inevitable, as it is with our existing trolley network. The importance is to minimise this, which is our current process. The screens, etc. will have shockproof absorbency and waterproofing to reduce damages to these components. The battery life was also a major issue raised in the previous pilots. This needs to be of the highest standard and life. Since MediaCart conducted the pilot project in Australia, this is what I have based my project findings on. So what is required? Hardware components, chips, barcodes, scanners, RFID readers, battery kit, LCD screens and customised trolleys. We will also require a software system, a Windows CE, barcode technology and RFID technology. With our network system, we should be able to use existing Wi-Fi network, but a review of our routers and hubs needs to be conducted to operate the system. The business functions that will be impacted with the implementation. Firstly, HR will have staff reductions, which will therefore require redundancies or redeployment. Upskilling of management and staff. The business will require a highly skilled IT member to monitor our systems, as it's critical to liaising with customers in real time. Secondly, sales and marketing capabilities will be enhanced with a more customised or targeted approach to marketing in real time. This adds value to our customer and consequently enhances their shopping experience, increasing sales and also their loyalty. Thirdly, finance and accounting. There is, of course, the initial investment costs of $800,000, but there will be sufficient cash flow benefits to recover costs over a period. I will cover how costs are recouped in cost-benefit analysis in the next slide. Fourthly, processes and/or production. The store layout will also need to be reconfigured to enable the store network to pick up connections with the trolleys over our wireless system and to better utilise space within the store. Now we get to the business case model, the most important part, the numbers to support viability and profitability of the project. The initial investment is $800,000. The increased sales and cost savings create an operating cash flow of $267,400 per annum. Please refer to Table 1 in your handouts for full details on costs and benefits. The payback period, which is 2.99 years. The net present value is $364,594, and the internal rate of return is 24%. Profitability index is 1.46 times. So the project is viable and the costs utilised are on the high end of the spectrum and the benefits have been projected conservatively. I've also used some what-if scenarios to devise some sensitivity analysis. This is to show how the project performs if certain numbers change. Case A is obviously the numbers from previous slides. Case B is based on if the project costs blow out to $900,000, which obviously affects the NPV, payback, internal rate of return and profitability index as shown in the slide. Case C is based on if sales or cost savings decrease by $100,000, which in turn affects the net operating cash flow, reducing it, which then gives us a negative net present value. The payback actually blows out and our profitability index is below 1 times. Therefore, this case C is unviable. Case A and B are still profitable and viable for the business. In summary, you can now see how this state-of-the-art smart shopping trolley system will enhance our business, allow us to improve the business productivity and value add for our customers' experience. I recommend and seek approval for a budget of $800,000 to implement the smart shopping trolley system across our stores. The RFID technology is only utilised by a few of our suppliers. However, this technology is the way of the future. With installation of this technology initially, our business will be set up with minimal impact from our supply chain once the technology is implemented by them. The retail grocery industry is currently highly competitive for market share, so the cost, if we do not change with the industry, will result in bad customer experience, decreased loyalty, resulting in decreased sales also. Bernard Salt, in his report for Woolworths in 2013, confirms the biggest surprise is millennials. They top the list for promotional shopper rankings. The preference for promotion stems from a low income, their interest in trialling new products, which are often promoted to attract attention in store. What better way than to communicate with them in real time than when in our stores? The smart shopping trolley system will ensure our business is here and ready for the future to compete with the major retail grocery chains. Thank you for your time today, and I await the outcome of your decision. I am willing to answer any questions or concerns that you may have.